My friends have been telling me to try the pink stuff for years. So when I was offered to get this for review, I jumped on the opportunity. Now it comes fully sealed, which I really appreciate. Let's see how it looks underneath this. Fully sealed, looks great. And when you pop it open, it's pink and it smells slightly flowery. And I love how much they care about the same things I care about, and that it's actually endorsed and even a member of a really great organization. Let's get cleaning. To start, let's tackle 20 years of cooked on grime on this pot. And the pink stuff truly did work miracles, but I do want to be clear that I didn't just scrub it with a rag. I definitely used a power tool, and I even pulled out my razor for some of the really hard cooked on grime. But on the inside of the pot, I just used a rag and it cleaned up beautifully. And I even tested it on our kitchen sink. It removed buildup on our kitchen sink that I have been battling for months. I seriously thought some of that was never gonna come off. It's obvious to me that this is now a new cleaning staple in my household, and I definitely recommend it.